Mitigation of climate changes and impacts, is it our responsibility? By Marshall.
The first reason why we need to mitigate climate changes and impacts because the present changes in climate are due to human interference. The second reason being to reduce the effects of climate changes and impacts will be beneficial to the lives and livelihood of all humanity. Therefore, we are all obligated to mitigate the effects of climate changes and the impacts of these phenomena. Want to emphasize on the first reason why we need to reduce climate change, and the reason being we are responsible. Reports published in peer-reviewed scientific journals cited that over 99.9% of climate scientists agreed that anthropogenic activities are the dominant features in climate change. The burning of fossil fuel releases CO2 and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere that causes changes in the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is responsible for maintaining the Earth's surface temperature by trapping the observed heat from the sun. The increased quantity of these greenhouse gases causes more heat to get trapped, thereby increasing the Earth's surface temperature, widely known as global warming. The second reason being the healthy world we want. Climate changes and impacts will make worse the process of land degradation. This process will reduce the amount of arable land available for cultivation and farming. Consequently, will lead to a drop in food production and an increase in food prices, thereby exacerbating the problem of world hunger, making it more difficult for the world to realize the first three Sustainable Development Goals put forward by the UN, which are no poverty, zero hunger, and good health and well-being for all. In conclusion, it is incumbent on us to mitigate climate changes and impact. Firstly, because it is mainly due to human influences through the burning of fossil fuel. Secondly, our good health and well-being will be affected if nothing is done to curb this problem. Finally, I believe that this can be achieved through collective and individual efforts such as efficient energy uses, use of renewable energies, and by simply maintaining our forests and replanting of degraded forests.